Whoa. Ay. Uy. My beautiful people. Yeah, my people, vibes are going again, you know. Natural vibes in the backyard again. Chefins with upon again today, you know, people. Natural way, I'm only supposed to see the title. Yes, man. That we are do today. Backyard style. Again. Natural. Yes, my beautiful people. Who they are with it today? Who they are with it today again? And this is what we have right there, so. Beautiful, nice, pretty, clean, grunt fish. Yeah, right now just give them 2 slices in the belly, you know, on the side and thing. I think the reason for this why most people do it is, I think to make the fish, you know, when you have fried it, skin over like that. I think so. Don't know the reason, but I think something like that. So we are dealing with today, people, we are dealing with some cooked down curry grunt fish. Yes, man. What we have right here, so. Naturally, this wash off already, people. Have a nice purple onion right here. Oh my god. We have pepper, hot pepper. Yes, man. And natural sweet bell pepper. On the color scheme on it. Nice, no? Yeah, man. That we are dealing with today, man. So we have a curry. This we are dealing to them people. Right in the backyard. Natural backyard vibes we are dealing to them people. Not true. Beautiful. Beautiful, my beautiful people. Natural way. So here we go now. You see them fish now? We get some seasoning on it. We get little salt on it. You know, we have all purpose right there, so natural vibes. We have fish season, that is a must. We have fish season. We have a little jerk season right there, so. And we have little beta pack black pepper. Natural vibes. So I get we fish season up here now. And then we cut up them little thing here and rest aside. Natural vibes. Get little salt from our fish and our people. Yeah. It's a little tip because you know we are going to use seasoning differently. So just want to just little round it, you know. Not a lot. This is what we have right here, so. All purpose. Get that, you want to get that all pot in the mouth, all pot, you know. Alright. Nice amount that. Nice amount. People. See a nice jerk season here, but we're not gonna put the jerk season on the fish. When it a cook down, we're gonna sprinkle a little in the gravy itself. But you see the fish season now, yeah man, we are throw some on the fish itself. That it get the name for fish seasoning. To put on fish. Rub up this. Yeah man. Fish a live life, you know, people. Yeah man, cause it a get good massage and thing. Yeah man, it a live life, man. Fish a live good life, people. Look at that. Naturally. Natural vibes. Rub up your fish nice and proper, you know, all about. Up in the mouth all about. Yes man. Nice and beautiful, people. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely. Yeah man, I love them cool and people. Them cool and nice. Yeah man. Water dry out a pot. Right now, oil in a pot. Yes man. So right now people are going to wait patiently. Yeah man, give this little time make it fully heat up. Yes, because I want it well at people because we don't want the fish and them things that stick up in the pot. No. We are dealing with it nice and proper food. Natural outdoor style. Hot high. So we are going to do now. When it start eat up look more now, we're going to drop a pepper in it. Yeah, or 2 pieces of the pepper in it make you know so the oil soak in some of that flavor there too. Natural vibes from people, man. Oh my god. Yeah, my people, man. Natural vibes. So, you know, all day I saw wait for the oil hot up in the people, you know, say. We are going to relax and take in the line nice, beauty, you know. Natural vibes. So we have a look of goat right there, so. Yeah, we have a little goat in the yard. The dog them attack him the other day, you know. Yeah, the dog them attack him the other day and kind of bruise him up a little, you know. But him good, I just look a bruise on the foot and thing, but I'm alright. Yeah man, I'm alright. So just they are going easy, you know, I wait for the oil hot up and thing. And I go on normal out, you know. Yes, man. Natural vibes. Can't wait to taste the fish, you know, my people. Yeah man, because we know it has a wicked grunt, curry. Oh my god. Yeah man, natural vibes. So just there going relaxing at the breeze and taking a look at the country here, you know? Natural vibes, you know, hear that? Wow, beautiful. Yeah man, I have little eat, you know, my people. Yeah man, eat that. You say it have the little eat, you know, so I make them go and put some flavor now. I'm going to flavor up the ice for my man, people. So you know, so I'm going to throw the fish in this. Yeah man, peppery and nice, spicy, natural vibe. Good oil this a fry up and burn up all the pepper them, you know. Spice up everything. Yeah man, so I feel like fish can go in here now. Yard people style, you know. That it can blow fire, you know. Naturally. So I can put in the fish them now, people, and make them fry up, you know. Yeah, my people, fish are fry up here now. Natural vibes right there, so. Yes, man. You know, I'll fish over this or fry up, you know, say. I get a look seasoning and anything there. Peel up and cut up. Yes. Natural way. Oh my god, this I got epic in people. Yeah man, I got nice. Curry grunt. Whoa. Whoa. Purple. You have a sweet pepper right here, so. Wow. Wow. See that in people. You see that? Look at that, man. Nice. Fish them a come on nice over there, so people. No lie about it. Yeah, man. Fish them a come on nice over there, so. I get this sweet pepper here now. Nice up. And dice up. Fish soon ready, you know, people. Yeah man, fish soon ready, man. Roast plantain style. Backyard style. Colorful, not true, my people. Natural vibes. Colorful. Colorful. So, we'll go check on the fish them again, because the fish them over here, so. Look nice and thing in the people, so you just done cut up the onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, and you know, Irish night. Oh my god, natural vibes. I gotta check on the fish them now, people. Yeah man, fish them are going normal out, you know. Natural vibes. Fish over this are going natural out, people. Natural out in the cooking island thing. Can smell it. Can smell it. Yeah man, you can smell the pepper burning in the island thing. Yeah man. Can smell it. Nice fresh air from under the mini coconut tree, people. Oh my god. Nice vibe right there. So you have a thing them well dice up and slice up. Yeah man, so them have to cook down in some curry, natural curry, seasoning, juice, everything. Yeah man, and then we rest back with fish night. Ghana lead, outdoor country style them name people. Yeah man. I know we have a scotchy them in there. Scotchy them a burn up the place, people hot. I don't know the better pack there. Most of them forgot to use all the black pepper though, people. So no star. I don't think I go bother use it still, you know. Yeah man, just put it aside for now. I understand. It will come in and do another time. Natural country vibes with people, man. Yeah man. Natural country vibes. So fish them I finish fry up here now. I make them fully fry up before we take them out. Yeah man, get the little crispy on the little edges and thing. Yes man, natural vibes before we put it back in the little curry juice and make everything normal out. And you don't know, roast plantain, nice, cause them are soft, you know, people. Yeah man, them soft man, soft and nice, well ripe. Yeah man, some like when them black Yeah man, we like green plantain, but so when it comes to ripe plantain, oh my god. Whether them turn ripe, whatever, them nice same way, but we like when them, well, you see when them have them color, people. See when them have them color, may I tell you, anytime them have them color, I want to roast them. I don't know, man. Yeah, man. Make your life, I tell you now. Yeah. So I go check for fish them now. Make sure so everything alright, because we don't want them burn. Yeah, man. That's right. See that people? That's a go on right, that's up on the yard like. That's a go on right, that's up on the yard like people. Whew. Fish them look beautiful. Fish them look good. Yeah man. Fish them look good people. Yeah man. No lie, the fish them look good. I gotta take them out here now because them fully fry up here now. Look on this people. Yeah man. Fish them look real good people, man. Nah lie man. Them look real good. Real good. So I gotta take them out here now and get in the seasoning them. Yes. I make everything steamed down in some curry. Oh my god. Natural vibes. Whoa. Whoa. Let's see that people. Let's see that. That is it. So we gotta get the season them in the pot right now. But first, we gotta burn some curry. Natural vibes. The hard people know the style. Burn the curry. Yeah man. Now really burn it till it black still people. Kind of chicken we are doing. Yeah man, we just want to know say it getting some heat. Wow. Yes my people now, seasoning time. Seasoning time. Oh, ahora pateado. Water. Yeah, my peeps, tell me if you don't love the vibes. Natural vibes are going right. So tell me if you don't love them vibes of people. Oh my god. So right now we have in all our seasoning them. And some curry. Yeah, now I go left this on the fire, make it cook up. You know? Bubble up and thing before adding back of fish. Natural vibes in people, man. It smells so good. Ah, yes. This is how I like to smell people. Greatness and country breeze. Right now juice over this a bubble down, you know. Yeah man. It's a bubble down the right and proper way. Love how that looks so far, people. Love how it look. Tell me in the comments if you don't love how that look. Yeah man. Yes man. Irish in it. Sweet pepper in it. Hot pepper in it. Onion, purple onion in it. Yeah man, we never have no scallion another time still, but we are gonna left it. We are gonna left it without them left it today. Cause this smells so good already, people. Oh my god, you know should have there to smell this. Wow. Yes man. Natural vibe just so. So people, remember I'm telling you say I gotta add some of this tonight. Yeah man, this is way jerk seasoning. Natural vibes are going there, so I gotta add little of this tonight right now, make it go and cook down with it. Everything we are going right here, so now this you know we have whole heap of little vibes are going. Pimenta, everything in it, in our focus. Natural vibes are going in it still, people. Yes man. Curry with the jerk seasoning. Yeah man. Yes, Rasta. Yeah man, this a bubbly the people. This my life is so test out the Irish them, cause once the Irish them cook you know everything naturally. Wow. Irish them soft and nice, people. Look at this. Yeah man. Soft and nice. Yes man. Make sure it's everything alright with it, you know? Fish time, you know? Aye. Aye. People are adding the fish them now. Yeah man. How do fish them now? Nice. Got that. Oh, people. Oh, nice. I wanna need crowd, people. Yeah, man, I wanna need crowd. I wanna definitely need crowd, people. Wow, this is just beautiful. Pure beauty right here, so people. Pure beauty this right here, so people. Yeah man, nothing less. Pure beauty, look at that. Yeah man, get the juice right. Get the juice right in them little slices right there, so. Nah, not spoon in people, but you don't have to make use of the fork same way. Wow. Naturally. Look at this. Look at that. People thought it true, look at that. Look at that. Tell me if I'm a greatness this. Greatness this. Wow. Natural vibes, man. Oh my god, people, look at this. Greatness. Greatness right there, so people. Ooh. Jeez and peas. Jeez and peas. Jeez and peas. Jeez and peas. Look at that. Right here, so. Greatness. Yeah, man. Greatness right here, so, people. This look good and it tastes good. It smells good. Everything good. Everything great about this right here, so. Nice. Right there, so. Yeah, my people are planting time, you know. Yeah, man, planting time, you know. Yeah, man. Planting time, you know, people, so. Let's have a rest plant right in a fire and make them get some heat. Heat. Roast them up on tin. Ah, nice. So fish are right here, people. Oh my god. Fish looks so beautiful. Wow, can't wait to taste that. I see we plant them over right here, so. Yeah, we're going to roast them up here now. Not take long for roast, people. Natural vibes and you know, say. Eatings. Boy, I'm going to have to taste piece, people. You know, the planting over this, so. I have to go taste piece of this, people. I have to taste piece of this, people. Man, alright. Yeah, man. I have to taste piece of this. Oh. Oh my god. People, look for this. Oh my god. Yeah, man. People, now see this. Oh, yeah. Nice. My god. Hey, the Irish just melt in a mouth in a people. Fish, you know. Fish is in a people. Curry. Oh. You know what nice? Oh, feet. I'm on one side of the roast already, you know. One each, you know. Man, right now the rain are due, you know, people. Yeah, man, the rain are due. Meanwhile, the plant they so roast down and thing. Yeah, man. I'm supposed to finish up here now. Yeah, man, we're about to take them out. Look on this. Look on this, people. Nice. Nice. Yeah, man. The rain are due, you know, and the fish are right there, so I wait. Yeah, man, the fish them there, so I wait for me, people. Natural vibes, man. Can't wait to dip them plant here and this. Oh my god. Naturally vibes, people. Natural vibes, you know. So I gotta take out them plant here right now and get them right in a pot with fish that we eat to the people. In the outdoor country vibes, yeah. Wow. Normal vibes. Let's get right into it. Whoa. And these people. Hot you know. Two nice plantain we have right there, so people. Nice. Yes, man. Yes, my people are the planting them, you know. Yeah, man, I planting them, man. Roast down and thing. Aye. Hot a fire. Ooh. People. I feel the heat off of this. Try bust them open here now, people. They eat the normal half of them are doing. Aye. Yes, man. Aye. Ooh. 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 Look on this. Hi. When I wanna get the carbon up still, people, but I read no burn. I just the skin it look like. No burn, you know. Like the skin, man. Yes, man. Ooh. People. People. Look at this. Natural vibes right there, so. Yeah, man. Natural vibes right there, some people. Yeah, man. Natural vibes. Look like it no steam good in the inside doing about. Oh my god. Ah, man, this alright for my people. Roast plantain. Natural vibes. Yes. Yes, man, in the rain, yeah. This way I bounce in the rain, yeah, people. Rain a Jew, you know, but this way outside I bounce to the people. Look on this. Natural vibes right there, so. Yes, people. Hi. Ooh. 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 Cheese and fish, look on this. Fish for days. Yeah, man, fish for days. Planting for days. Ah, nice, people. It's nice till I cry. People. It's not normal. Ooh. People. Oh, one of the best things maybe me ever prepare. One of. Oh my god. Look at this. Ah, get some gravy on that, man. Yes, man. Hey, one of the wickedest things me ever prepare, people. Whoa. Oh my god. The plantain so nice, you come like me can't even start on the fish head, people. Take piece of the fish and see what goes. Like that. Aye. That's not some gravy and thing. Mmm. Mmm. People, I want an extra nice. This extra nice. Yeah, man. Oh, God. People, it's nice. Nice or chill. It's nice or chill. No niceness to describe, it's just nice. It's too nice. Yeah, man, I want too nice, people. Oh, peas, right. Wicked. Wicked, my people. On this. Aye. Naturally. pure greatness in a one pot. Whew. Fully demolished. Yeah man, fully demolished. People, that is it. Ah. Whew. This is too nice, man. It's nice for real. Would I eat this anytime, any day, anywhere? People, this tastes real good. No guarantee. Roast ripe plantain, especially when them well ripe. Curry, grunt. Whew. That is it. Yeah man, we'll close out that one. Pepper there, you know people, because the scotchy them in there. Yeah man, we'll close out this one, people, so here we go on. Catch you on the back on another one. Whew. Jano. Yeah man. Remember to like, subscribe. Yeah man. Like, drop a comment, and please subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. So when I drop a video, on the Sunday, them not gonna know. I'm not gonna just tap in and see the crazy outdoor vibe. I'm gonna go on with like this right here. So nice down to the bone. Right now, I throw a fish bone them. I can't eat them. Yeah, that's what I deal. What I deal with them to people. Tell you this nice. It's nice people. But we're gonna tune out that one, yeah. So catch you the back on another one. Find another piece. Yeah man, catch you the back on another one now people. Outdoor vibes again. Make yard life there. Yard life's good. Yard life's great. Catch you in the back. Outside.
Yard life's good.
Ah, Bob said that, you know?